Hi everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 10th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. Yay! Congratulations to me. So, of course it is a very short achievement for me and but it is very essential because I completed my 10 days and it is not difficult but I'm feeling very interesting uh, I'm feeling very interesting while making videos now, but some many times came in my mind to stop making videos, stop practicing, okay, stop completing this challenge because sometime I was also feeling fear and nervousness, but still I continued with it and I completed my 10 days. So today I have a surprise for you. I will tell you in the end of the video, so stay tuned with me, watch till the end. And it is not about to like I'm just saying these things so you can watch my video till the end. No, I'm just saying because today I'm very happy and I'm going to tell you all my challenges and what I was feeling during my this spoken journey and all the things. So maybe you also feeling enjoying also, so that's why I'm telling. So like as I told you in my previous videos, I downloaded many applications and because of fear, because of nervousness, I deleted all the applications. But after taking that resolution of speaking English, I downloaded the application. Actually I found it on YouTube and then I downloaded it and I took resolution to speak. Then when I started talking on that application, it was very difficult for me because as I told you that I was very afraid. I was feeling very afraid to speak even a one sentence in English. But like as I'm taking that resolution and when I went on that application and I was feeling again very afraid, and I was feeling fear. But when I started when like whenever we do that new thing, whenever we start doing new things that are very new and we are feeling afraid of it, but after doing that particular thing, we that happiness and excitement came after doing that thing. It was uh, mm, very happening and very charming. So when I talked to a co-learner on that application, on my first co-learner on that application, so after talking to him, I was very happy that really I talked to a stranger. And of course it is even I just talked to with him for 1 minute, but still I'm happy that I did because it is very difficult for me. Then I continued with the application and I found it very interesting. And it is very like nice application. There is no like you can, of course you can purchase of plus scores on it, and but you can also talk to for so long as you want with strangers on that application. And you can get a chance to talk with AI also. So of course it is also a good thing. So these are the things. And I will tell you one thing also, like while practicing on this application. So after downloading that application, I was feeling very happy that my journey is was being started, and now I had a chance to speak with strangers and now I can do also. So when like all the day I did practice. I did practice on that application with strangers. Then, as I told you that I am from Haryanvi family, and once what happened that I practiced with a like I connected a call with a stranger. So I just started talking to him, and my mother came to me, and you know what she told me that in Haryanvi, she told me like सारी भी बन जाएगी, चुपचाप बर्तन धो ले जाके. तो and I was like when she told me, and I cut the cold immediately. Like didn't he listen my mother's voice, and I'm feeling that uh, seamless, like, oh, I was scolded, so I cut the call. And I'm just telling one thing, I was feeling very enjoying, you know, while doing practice on that application. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to download that application only. You can download any application, and just I'm just saying one thing, you have to do practice only. That's it. But I'm just telling my experience. So then I continue with the application. I, of course, I found some co-learners. Those were not serious, and you know they were just doing time pass. Then you can cut the call and connect it to other one also. So, and I got some English teachers also who gave me advice, and I was feeling very happy that I talked to a English teacher, and I could do also. It means I didn't feel that nervousness while speaking to them. So these are the thing. And thank you and congratulations to me that I completed my 10 days. And of course I'm making mistakes, so sorry for my mistakes. And of course, day by day, I know I'm improving also, and I will. So thank you. And if you really want to like if you really feel that my efforts can help you to do uh, this to do this thing, to do speak English, so please stay tuned with me. And thank you.